to today's video. In this session, we will simulate the amplitude modulation and demodulation using a MATLAB Simulink. AM is widely used in radio broadcasting and communication systems. Let's dive into the Simulink model and understand how it's works. Here the Simulink model for AM modulation and demodulation. This is the message signal. This is the original signal we want to transmit. It is usually a low frequency sine wave representing audio or data. Here, the amplitude we given as a 1 and the frequency is 5 radian per second. Then this is a carrier signal, a high frequency sine wave used to carry the message. The frequency of the signal is much higher than the message signal, Here message signal is 5 radian per second. Here carrier signal is amplitude is 1, frequency is 50 radian per second is given. This is the modulation process. The message signal is multiplied with the carrier signal for generating the AM amplitude modulation wave. This process is called as amplitude modulation. Here adding the noise is random noise. This block is optional block. Then we move on to demodulation block. To recover the message signal, we use amplitude demodulation. Multiplication with the carrier signal. Again, it's back to the baseband signal. Here, low pass filtering is using. The output contains both low frequency and high frequency components. To remove the high frequency components, we use a low pass filters with the transfer function. Here, we use a transfer function called 10 divided by s plus 10. Here, we connecting the message signal to the first block of the scope. Then this is the carrier signal. This one is amplitude modulation signal. This one is the demodulated signal. Let's check the output waveforms. Click on the run button on the Simulink. Once it's compiling, finish. Double click on a scope. As you see, the original message signal is successfully recovered after the demodulation. This is the message signal. This one is carrier signal. This one is modulated signal. This one is demodulated signal. Amplitude modulation is widely used in AM radio broadcasting, aircraft communication, and early analog television signals. This simulation helped us to understand how AM works in real communication system. Thank you.